the MVN actuator from Honeywell. Use it with all your control ball valve and pressure independent control valve projects. This isn't your average valve actuator. Helps you get the job done on time and under budget. The Fast Track tool lets you select the right product for the job. By ordering the valves and actuators as assemblies, you know you won't have to go back to the job site later because someone put the wrong actuator on the wrong valve or didn't assemble them right. Fast Track also lets you add tagging to your valve schedule. All the products show up in tagged boxes, so you can be sure they get to the right piece of equipment when the fitter is scheduled to install them. When you're ready for electrical installation and commissioning, you can just use your smartphone to call up information from the tag. Things always come up at installation, but the MVN allows you to change the orientation of the actuator to fit tight applications. This fitting makes it easy to either use conduit or not. Same goes with the cabling. You can order the actuator with or without it. And when you're using your own cable, the removable terminal block makes it easy. No connecting each individual wire, just snap it together. It used to be during commissioning, you were on the ground with the laptop while someone else was on the ladder checking to see if the valve was moving. Now, with a remote position indicator, this is a one-person job. Faster, easier installation, commissioning, and service. These days, every minute matters. Honeywell helps you get projects done on time and under budget.